Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Lukman, and I'm using this medium to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for the support, and don't forget to like and share this video. If you are here for the first time, please like, share as well, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so anytime I post any new videos, you'll be among the first set of people to be notified. Okay, yeah, let's get started. Today I'll be talking about how to become a UKRN. I know a lot of people have been wondering, when will I drop this video, when will I talk about this, but now it's here, and I want to make this as short as possible, as short as I can, so I don't want to bore you guys. Now we'll be getting into the video now, and I want you to watch till the end. Okay, let's go. All right, let's get started. With me here, I have like 6 to 7 steps to becoming a UKRN, and I'll be simplify them as easy as I can think of. Okay, so I just don't want to bore you guys, and everything will go well. All right. Now, the first thing to do is obviously becoming a registered nurse first in your own country. I've had a series of comments about some people that also want to become a UKRN, whereas they are not nurses. Some went to some hospitals to learn how to do some procedures, and they call themselves nurses, and they are not. Before you can actually start this process, you have to be registered with Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria. You ask for the reason, you will hear that later. Right? After qualifying, after being registered with Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria, you need to have your license, you need to have either notification or certificate, and after that is gotten, you need to get a passport. So passport is the next thing, and to apply for passports, it's now online. So some still do it physically, but you can choose to apply for it online, and it will come out, I don't know, only God knows. After getting your passport, the next thing to do is to go to Nursing and Midwifery Council of UK, NMC online website, to get yourself registered. To register, like I said, you need your license, you need your international passport, and you need either your notification of registration with Nursing and Midwifery Council or your nursing certificate. Another thing is, some people think they need degree or post-basic to begin this process. Absolutely no, you don't need that. You only need your registered nurse certificate and you are fine. However, I'm not disputing the fact that you can gain more knowledge by going to post-basic, but your qualification, your post-basic doesn't really mean you will earn higher. Okay, I've seen some with masters degrees and they started with band 5, though some, maybe 1, 2, 3% actually started with band 6, but not everyone. It depends, it varies, but majorly you need your registered nurse certificate to start the process, and you are good to go. So you don't need to waste much time spending or doing any other thing. If you actually want to become a UKRN, you have to start as early as possible. Okay. All right. So after getting your certificates, after getting your passport, the next thing to do is apply online. Like I said, go to their website, the National Midwifery Council website. I will put the step-by-step and some links in the description box, so you can just have a look. After getting yourself registered, the next thing to do is to pay a fee of £140. So after paying the fee is only when you can actually submit your documents and they will receive it. After paying the £140, they will send a mail to you to confirm the payment, and it will contain a CRM number and a reference number. Okay, you need some details on the mail to actually actually apply for verification. All right, verification is next now, and that's also done online. Yeah, you go to, I'll also put the link in the description box, so you can have a look. If that's the stage that you are at the moment, you can just go there and get yourself applied for verification. You can also do that as well, and it's like it's like 19,000 something, about 19,000 naira, and you pay that, submit the documents, and in some months time you will be verified. So once you're verified, the next thing to do is for you to sit for CBT. To do this, you need someone from abroad to register for you, or get a voucher for you, or you also have an option of getting a dollar card. If you have a dollar card, then you don't have a problem, but you can use a Naira card to register for yourself for CBT. After, let's say you've done your CBT and you've passed, the next thing to do is to complete your registration. And in doing this, you will need the IELTS results. I didn't mention IELTS earlier because this is where IELTS comes in. However, you can choose to do your IELTS before starting this process at all, or you can choose to do your IELTS at this stage. But either ways, this is the stage that you need the IELTS results. So you upload the IELTS results, you pass the CBT, it will reflect on your portal. Then you need the police clearance. You can get that from a police station, I think Alagbon or headquarters in Abuja. You can also get that as well in some other police stations, but I think they will request it from Alagbon as well, or from Abuja, before you can be given. So that takes days. But if you go to Alagbon straight, you will get it done that same day, though their price differ. All right, after that's done, you've uploaded your IELTS results, you've uploaded your police clearance. The next thing to do is to get a medical verification done. To do this, you need a medical doctor to affirm that you are medically fit to practice in the United Kingdom. That doesn't take time. You just need the contact of a doctor, might be your doctor, your family doctor, or any doctor that can just confirm that you are medically fit to practice in the United Kingdom. You will input the details of that doctor, the mail, full name, and maybe phone number, which is optional. And the NMC will contact the doctor, and the doctor will just complete a form and return back to them, and that's all. Once that's done, then you will pay a fee of £153, which is about 105 to 115. It varies depending on who's paying for you. And once you pay that fee, actually that fee is not compulsory to pay at that stage because it is needed after OSCE. But if you can pay, but most employers actually want you to be OSCE ready before they can take you in. So you just have to pay the money, and it pays, because when you come to the UK, you want to be strict with your pounds, and spending £153 on that, though it's compulsory to do actually, but spending that will look somehow. But if you have paid earlier on, you will just know that, okay, this is the total amount of money I spent on this journey, and now I am in the UK. You will know you don't have any business with NMC payments again. Just attempt your key and pass, and that's all. Okay. Don't worry, I'm too fast, I know. All right, after paying the £153, then you are OSCE ready. What I mean by OSCE ready is the next thing for you to do is to sit for your OSCE. Okay, I know you've not gotten a job, I know you are still searching for a job, I know everything, but the next thing for you to do on NMC portal is for you to sit for your OSCE. Okay, so things for you to do in real life is to get a job. And I will make a separate video on how to get a job in the United Kingdom, because I see it's kind of being stressful and it's kind of being strict these days than before. So I'll just try to make a video on how to simplify it, how to get a job, how to apply, and some website to apply on. And I think you will like it. I think you won't want to miss it. Okay guys, that will be all for now. See you next week. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I post videos, you'll be among the first to notify. Alright, see you later. Bye.